As more workloads move to the cloud, every business needs a management strategy which must include the protection of their own vital data. Your customers need to consider: will the cloud infrastructure always be available? Are the risks of data loss in the cloud real? How reliable are cloud-to-cloud or cloud-to-on-premises backup? Veeam has the answers your customers are searching for. Cloud data management as part of intelligent data management means that centrally managed data will be located where it is of most value and readily available across the business. Do your customers really know where their data is, on-premises or in the public cloud? Can it be moved from one to another for cost or policy reasons? Veeam's backup and disaster recovery services can be a central component of strategy, protecting data in virtual, physical, and multi-cloud environments. Visit the Pro Partner portal today or call Veeam direct to discover how best to manage data in the cloud.